Hey guys, it's Trippy, and this week's dare is bird food, gum, cheese, eggs, and Coke Zero. And that was submitted by Run Forest Run 12345. Alright, so let's get started mixing. Alright, so here's the dare. Doesn't look bad in color, doesn't smell that bad, but I can guarantee the taste is gonna be horrendous. I'm sure of it. Okay, so anyways, let's just get started right away. Ready, set, go. Ugh. 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 The seeds didn't really grind that well. And there's one in my mouth. And it's irritating me. But I'm pretty sure I swallowed some. Okay. Got another sip. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Hi. I didn't swallow all of that one, but I swallowed most of it. I freaking gay. You know what? I don't think I can take another sip. This is the worst dare. It's painful, not just in my mouth. Okay, so now it's time to review the dare. This dare was ultimately the worst dare ever. It wasn't just painful to my mouth, the taste. It was painful to my stomach, and as gross as this sounds, my groin area. I don't know what it was, but the gagging was so intense that it hurt my stomach muscles, and it felt really weird in my groin muscles. I don't know what it was. I took 2 big gulps. I don't know if it was the 3 eggs compared to the Coke, because 3 eggs is a lot in a dare. I think it's the first time I've done that much eggs. Whatever it was nasty, it was gross, putrid, foul. I don't think I would ever be able to do something like that again. Don't know what it was, but it was painful all over, and I wish I could have done more, but in this case, I couldn't. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel using the button above. Click it now, then select email me for every upload, and YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new video. I've got some awesome stuff coming up, so subscribe now to avoid missing out. And lastly, make sure to connect with me on Facebook and Twitter. It's like it's like Alright you guys, I'm Trippy. Thanks to Run Forest Run 12345 for the dare. I love you guys, and as always, thanks for watching. Yeah, yeah!